Stamperia has a new collection. It's called Forest. And these are 12 by 12 papers, and you get a hint of what's inside on the cover. But you can see lots of greenery, some forest animals, and let's turn the page. Now what's nice is on the inside of the front cover, they use that space to give you a lot of cutouts. As a matter of fact, in this paper pad, there are 30 cutouts in total, so that's really nice. Now some of them are in Spanish, some of them are in English. You can mix and match, do whatever suits your needs. Aren't those beautiful? Squirrels, birds, bugs, hedgehogs, deer, just some beautiful things. I'm a great fan of bird nests, so that's gorgeous. And then the back side is a little plainer, but certainly not the less for it. Now we're going to go into the papers, and as you can see, that collage look is what Stamperia is really known for. Just beautiful art. And on the back of that, we've got some really gorgeous wood grain. Now this page you could either use as it is or use it as cutouts. Either way, I love the eagles. They're just gorgeous. The back side, you get a full-size sheet that would make a wonderful scrapbook page, or cut it apart and you can do tags, planners, cards, whatever you like. More of the 30 cutouts. Aren't they just beautiful? Yes, this is perfect for masculine, but also perfect for so many other things. Again, the back side is a little bit plainer, allowing you to do whatever you like. Look at the berries. Aren't they luscious? Absolutely love the juxtaposition of the line art with the colored in art, and all in a frame ready for you. The back side is a little more autumn themed, a little bit more with the browns added. Here we have Flower of Life is what this page is saying, with the bird's nest in just beautiful, beautiful setting. Look at the torn paper right there. The back side is again an all-over sheet. Look at the fox running the birds, kind of a misty forest scene. There we've got more animals. I really like the fact that they do them differently all through this collection. The back side is more kind of veins of leaves, and then leaves and acorns on top. Here we've got some fish. Just really beautiful. And we've got more going on the back side. More of the cutouts. You will not be at a loss for embellishments with this pack. And look at it on the back side. And then this is the back cover. Whoops, no it isn't. Got one more sheet. There's the back side of it. And then we've got all of these. Now, in addition, for the first time that I'm aware of, Stamperia is doing cutouts, excuse me, they're doing chipboard pieces, but they are all printed, and in this collection there are 65 designs, from a big bear to the fox, those berries, little pieces as well. Let's see, there's the baby fox, we've got an eagle, just lots and lots of artwork to go along with it. Some of the ones that are have words on them, silence speaks when words can't, and some of them are plain, some of them are also in Spanish, some are in English, so it just depends on what you want. But you've got a lot of variety here, so many pieces. As I said, 65 here of the forest die cuts, as to go with the forest paper pack. Now there will also be, later on, there will be rice paper and stencils to coordinate, but the papers and the die cuts are available now.